Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to add a date picker calendar in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen here, I have opened this Excel document, and to insert a date in the cell, I can click on the cell, then use this date picker tool which is in the home tab. Click on this date picker and this calendar activates. I can pick up the date by simply clicking on it. Let me click on 5th of November 2025, and here you see the date is added. To add another date, you can again go to the date picker. To change the month, you can use this drop down. To change the year, you can use this drop down. Then click on the date to pick up in the cell. Let's learn how you can do this in Microsoft Excel. First of all, you need to download the date picker add-in. For that, open any internet browser. In the address bar, put learnexcelandsheets.com, then press enter. This will open this website, and here in the search bar, search for date picker. And here you will see the search result where you have this how to add a date picker calendar. Click on this. Scroll down to see the download option. Here you have this download add-in option. Click on this to download. Let me save this add-in in the desktop. Then click on save button. Here in the desktop, the add-in file is downloaded. Right click on this, then click on extract all. Click on extract. And here you have the date picker. If you go to the desktop, here you can see the extracted folder. Open this. This is the add-in we require to add the date picker. Now click on this folder address bar. Then copy this address. Now go to Microsoft Excel. Click on File tab. Click on Options. Click on Advanced. Scroll all the way down and go to this at startup, open all files in, and here in this box paste the folder address you copied. Then click on OK. Now close Microsoft Excel, then reopen it. Click on the File tab, Options, click on Customize Ribbon. Click on this Home tab, then click on New Group. Click on Rename, and here in the group name you can put My Tools. For example, you can put any other name. Then click on OK. Now to add the date picker here in this My Tools group, go here in this drop down, then select the macros option. You will see this date picker macro. Click on this. Then click on the add button. Here you see the date picker is added. Click on this date picker, then click on rename. If you want to give a different name, then you can put it here. Otherwise, you can use this name also. And from this symbol list, you can choose a symbol that is related with calendar or that looks like calendar. Let me select this icon, then click on OK. Now click on OK, and here you see in the Home tab in My Tools group there is a date picker tool. Simply click on this and the calendar activates. When you click on a date, the date goes into the cell. So this is how you can add the date picker tool in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching.